The National Weather Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, North Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
Means 83 is relaying it too.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park.
Okay.
Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, North Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., Doppler radar. Elizabethtown, Progress, Mechanic and pursuit until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. Turn around. Don't downwind encountering flooded roads. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until the surrounding and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. Middletown, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Ladlestown, Steelton, Hunterstown, and Paxtonia.
Oh, God.